Alright, hi everyone. I just want to show you a new platform that we're going to be testing. We'll see if it works for us or not. So you'll go into your window, whether that's Safari or Chrome or Firefox or whatever you're using, and in the URL you're going to type in BOOMcards. Actually, I think it's boom.cards. And you're going to go there. Loading. And we're going to be using Boom to practice things, and it's really interactive. So I want to show you how you can use this without having to create an account. I don't want you guys to be creating accounts for this, okay? It's just for practice. So depending on whatever we're going to be practicing, I'll give you a pin. And it's an identification number, so it gets you to the right game. It doesn't tell me who is playing it. It just tells me that someone has logged in. So in this case, our pin is EAAA, and then you're going to press play. And for Boom, in this case, the cards that you'll be using are about math. And so for this one, what you're supposed to do is this is for multiplication practice, reading arrays. We're way beyond this, don't worry. But over here we have 1, 2, 3 muffins going across here. So we'll click and drag a 3. And then we have 1, 2, 3 muffins going across here. So we'll click and drag that. And then you have to choose what the product is. Okay. And then when you're done, you hit submit answer. And then I'll go on to the next one. Here we go. So we've got an array that is 2 across the top, 2 across the side, which means our product 2 times 2 is 4. And we press submit. Now it does have options over here where you can skip questions or previous or go back to the very first one, or you can give up. No giving up here. All right. Let's just quickly finish this deck and you'll be able to see what happens. Submit. Correct. 2 across the top, 1 row. 2 times 1 is 2. Submit. Let's pick up the pace a little bit. 2, 3, 6. Submit. 1 across the top, 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. Submit. Hey, I got 6 correct. And then that's the end of your play. Okay? Let's... Ms. Y doesn't know how to stop this.